What's up guys, I'm TheRockinLobster and welcome back to another reaction video. And today we got another more of these hilarious and funniest Peppa Pig animations. So this one is the end of Peppa's butt. Peppa Best Compilation. Yeah, I hope it's not one of those moments where Peppa starts showing her butt again. Oh my gosh. You know, that was so fucking funny how Mummy Pig just smacks Peppa's bare ass with a ruler. And Peppa Pig just starts crying. I don't know if that's a little too far or anything, but I don't care. Peppa's kind of a brat anyways. But anyways, this is by Joy Animation, who was also the creator of the last animation I reacted to. Last time, I think it was a month ago from now. But I'm ready to see another more of this funny stuff happening. And yeah, let's get this video started. She looks like Mummy Pig. Okay, you like that better?
Susie Sheep is Peppa's best friend.
Where's she? Oh, there she is. She spluttered mud on her. Oh no, she's gonna beat up her friend. Great. I just hope Peppa Pig wasn't shoplifting.
George, wake up.
What? What the hell? Why did you just slap George's ass? And what's with the hair, Mummy Pig? Did you grow hair already?
Could you please?
Whose voice is that? Oh no. This is gonna go. Oh! Oh no! Peppa, look what you did! Oh no, Mommy's gonna beat up Peppa again, isn't she? Why would you trust a 2-year-old to shave your head anyways?
Dinosaur.
Hey look, Dino Roar.
Nani?
Dinosaur. Nope.
Oh. What are you gonna do, George?
George, you're doing it all wrong.
Doing what all wrong?
Mom, Mommy.
I like how George is taking this very well. Oh no, is Peppa gonna do the thing where what Stewie does?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mama. 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 What? Dinosaur. Nope.
No. Just beat her ass. That's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. No, is my pig's taking a shit with bloodshot eyes? Man, she's still crying about the toy? Give it a rest. Well, she's actually teaching George how to demand a toy. Yeah, she's teaching it all wrong.
The next day.
Oh. Please don't be the dinosaur. Please tell me it's a trick. Trick of a pig. Please.
Dinosaur.
What happened?
What the hell?
Oh. She got the toy? Mummy Pig, no! You should trick her into something else. Come on. See, this is how you teach kids how to be a brat. That's why Peppa's still a brat. You're right. Daddy Pig is hogging the hammock. No, Peppa. What are you doing? Oh! Oh my gosh, Peppa, what have you done? Oh, you're in so much trouble, young lady. Oh, she's hungry, okay. They have no food. Oh my gosh, Mummy Pig!
Mummy,
Why did she become so fat? What the hell?
would you like? Nope.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That was harsh.
Peppa wants her to exercise outside.
Whoa! Peppa's really strong. Oh, is Mummy Pig really that big? I was just watching the potato show. Huh? No, come on. George, turn that off. No, thank you. George, I don't want to see that shit. Ah, shut up, George. Gosh, George, you sound like you're dying. Yeah, please, I don't want to watch that anymore. Ah, Peppa! Oh, Peppa, you shouldn't do that. No, I thought the parents were going to come in and see this and maybe beat her up or something. No, darn it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's just getting bullied in preschool now? Ah, Peppa's got fangs!
Shut up!
Shut up! Oh, she's at the gym, okay.
2,000 years later.
There's no way it took that long.
Oh, shit.
Well, it took her 2,000 years to get really buff. Is that for beating up? Oh no. She's gonna punch her, right? Wait, are those worms? Oh, okay. Okay, Peppa, that's creeping me out. Oh no. They're in trouble. Wow, nice drawing of Mommy Pig. I think Peppa's taunting her. Oh! Why'd you paint yourself black? Are you pretending to be a robber? Wow, this scared my pig to death. Oh yeah, you're gonna be in so much trouble, Peppa.
Daddy Pig.
Wait, what's gonna happen?
Okay, Peppa.
What?
Let's get you to bed.
Mm-hmm. I knew he was gonna do that.
Today we will be learning all about numbers.
Okay.
Me.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Me.
What is she gonna write? No. What? No, it's not 21.
Brilliant.
No. Oh, is it like when these students outsmart the teachers? Okay, I think I understand why it's 21. Because 2 and 1 go together and make it 21. Oh my gosh, Peppa! Ew! You have a harp in here? How old are you, 4?
1 minute later.
That's gross! Peppa, you did not draw yourself off! Oh wow, made it really shiny. Is that supposed to be a real or a fake spider? What is that supposed to be? Ew! She crushed it. That must be giant. Oh no! It caused it to burn the dress that Mommy Pig was ironing. Oh my gosh, that's huge! Oh! Oh my gosh, that's terrible!
Next Christmas.
That shouldn't happen! Wait, next Christmas? Peppa, aren't you worried about your mommy?
Wow.
What a beautiful butterfly.
Yeah. Oh, the frog ate it. Oh, hey! Peppa, why'd you kick the frog? Oh no, is it mommy frog? Yeah, sweet revenge. Sweet karma, I should say.
A 1.
Yeah,
2.
that's what Peppa gets for kicking a baby frog.
3.
Who knew mommy frogs would be that huge? Oh. Nicely done, Daddy Pig. Oh no, Mommy Pig's gonna beat Daddy Pig up. Oh, Mommy Pig's got issues, I'm telling you. Oh no, George, what happened?
Nani?
Oh, the table. Oh my gosh! Wait, was that upstairs? Okay. Hold on, what? You know, if I ever, I've had this happen a lot. I hit myself with tables. Sometimes I wish I have a big giant arm and I'll just punch it down. But I was not expecting it to be on the second floor to hit down to where Peppa was walking to. Wow. Oh great! They're watching something cursed again. Seriously? No! It's not funny! Uh-oh. What happened?
Daddy.
Is there a power failure? Yep, get the other light bulb. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Daddy Pig, why'd you do that to George? Oh! Okay, that is child abuse. That's not okay. What is it? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! So, oh no! Gosh, this is so good. No, it's almost over. So that white stuff on her arm wasn't the ice cream. It was the burnt shit. Yeah, that's what it was. She thought it was ice cream. Ew! Is she gargling burnt shit? No, don't spit on her back. Okay, that is gross. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Man, that last part was so freaking hilarious. Yeah, for a second I thought ice cream laying on her arm when she looked at it. I was like, she looked up and then there was a pigeon. So yeah, it wasn't the ice cream at all. The pigeon did that. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Oh, that's funny. It's like right when I saw the pigeon, I just realized. Oh my gosh, that's really funny. That one was really good. I loved it. 10 out of 10. Brilliant. I love the animations. They're so freaking funny. I really hope there's a third compilation. I really hope there will be one. But if there ever is one, please let me know, because I will be looking forward to that one. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this reaction. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.